What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel, trying to go as fast as I can, but time for a smoke pause. Don likes it. That's all that matters. All that matters, playing to the crowd. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, no princes here. Just some witches and a skull and a little bear. This is the color purple. So here is how we can tell the difference in the color purple. We don't look at the color. Okay, see the differences? This one has an IMC, these do not. Now, another thing, the skull also always has wider writing. When I spin around this one, you can see the difference in the way PEZ is. It's a little bit smaller and more spaced out on the witch. That is a way to identify your witches. Now, this color purple here is a lot more see-through, almost transparent, than this one right here. And it's just a tad more pinkish than the skull. And then when we get over here to the USA witch, it is just a lot more creamier color. IMC 9 on that one. But yes, these are the different colors of witches. And that's a skull. I can only show you the color purple. And I can show you the differences. And I can also show you this really cool marbled hat. Look at that. Oh yeah, that is a very cool dispenser. So then we go over here to these witches. Oh, where do I start? Oh, hopefully sitting down, not on the floor. Almost fell there. Almost a tragedy. I'm glad you didn't see it and you were watching PEZ instead. There's so many different witches. There are so many different interchangeable parts. But one cool thing about this collection that we have in front of us is Don is a very huge fan of the witch. So because he's able to gather so many different variations of the witch, we're able to contrast, compare, and see which witch is which witch and which witch is not the witch that you thought was a witch. I lost myself there too.
Which is not the witch.
Yeah, something like that. It's almost sandwich time. Questionable.
Yeah, very.
But when you see a bunch of the same, it's not as questionable. So the more the merrier, that's what I say. And these are such cool different hat color variations. All similar, but all different. So here are your witches. So until next time...